Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I transformed a thrifted canvas that I picked up for $1. First, I cleaned my canvas. Once my canvas was clean and dry, I gave it a thin coat of white acrylic paint. I used modeling paste to add dimension and glue down the small rocks. Next, I painted the opposite corners with black paint. Then I used the painting technique to drag the colors using a piece of cardboard, but it didn't work nicely, so I had to paint each line separately. I alternated between the dark and light colors. Now it's time to apply the glitters. I used black, white, purple, gold, and blue glitters. And I covered the rocks in the middle with gold leaf flakes using Podge. Finally, I added some mini shell beads and poured a thin layer of resin to seal it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to turn on the notification button so you don't miss my next videos. See you next time. Bye!